Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to retrobright this keyboard. It's a really nice small keyboard, but as you can see the bezel and most of the keys are very yellow. And for some reason, some keys are lighter than others. I had no idea how that happened as I bought it used some years ago. It looked so bad that I never really wanted to use it. You can see the original color in the backside, and the difference is huge. The brand is Solidtek and the model number is ACK595 and it has a PS2 connector. For the retrobright process, I'm going to use a 40 volume hydrogen peroxide that I bought from a beauty supply store for around $9. What I didn't know is that you can get a gallon of this for about $22 at Home Depot or your local hardware store. It's labeled 12%, but it's the same as the 40 volume, so that's not a problem. You will also need a UV light, and I have this pair of 30-watt lights, so these are gonna be good for the job. I highly recommend getting one of these keycap pullers. It makes the job a lot easier. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so after about an hour of trying to figure out how to get the keys to sync, with no success, I just left them floating upside down and placed the lamps under the container. I did have to hold the bezel using some paper clips secured with clamps, and then I left it for 48 hours. Okay, so after putting the keyboard all back together, here it is. It looks much better than before. The bezel looks great, but there are still many keys that are noticeably darker than others. You can see here the left arrow looks much whiter than the others. Same thing with the Windows key on the other side. Okay, so let's take a closer look here. You can clearly see many keys have different shades. The good thing is that now the bezel matches the color of the backside. Okay, so I guess the 30-watt lamps were not strong enough, and I may end up getting some stronger lights in the future and try to even this out. Anyway, it looks much better now, so let's compare the before and after.